the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known, reveal glory of the living God. Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known, reveal glory of the living God. Let the weight of your glory cover us. Let the life of your river flow. Let the truth of the kingdom reign in us. Let the weight of your glory fall. Let the weight of your glory cover us. Let the life of your river flow. Let the truth of the kingdom reign in us. Let the weight of your glory fall. Let the weight of your glory fall, Jesus. Let the weight of your glory fall. It is raining all over me. I can see the light rain. Ride on Jesus, give us new rain, until we are wet, until we are soaked with latter rain. It is raining all over me. I can see it's a latter rain. Ride on Jesus, give us new rain.